First, let's talk about the hardware. Tent X has one RJ45 and 4 RJ12 ports on the bottom, each serving a specific purpose. The first port, starting from the left side, is the Internet port. This port is used to connect your TCS1 controller to the Internet, allowing you to connect with TrollMasters app TM Plus Pro. The second port is the sensor port. All of your sensors will be connected to this line that includes the environmental sensors, car sensors, or the nutrients and grow media sensors. The third port is the device port. You will use this port to connect all of the device control modules in your tent to the equipment you have. We have modules to control most devices used in a grow tent. The fourth and fifth ports are the lighting control lines to which you will connect your lights to. You can control up to 2 lighting channels individually. Having 2 separate lighting control lines also gives you 2-channel control when using Think Grow LED in your tent. That allows you to control the supplemental red LED and the full spectrum LED individually on the Think Grow LED fixtures.